Hi from Andrej. Consider this: what if one of the fastest growing technologies in the world could create vast amounts of economic activity without hiring millions of employees? It may sound unlikely, yet that is exactly the kind of shift blockchain and smart contracts are beginning to make. At its simplest, blockchain is a shared digital ledger. Instead of one company or authority controlling the records, thousands of computers around the world keep matching copies. Every new entry is checked by the network, linked to the one before it, and recorded in a way that is extremely difficult to alter. That is why people describe blockchain as transparent, secure, and resistant to fraud. Smart contracts build on that idea. Imagine an agreement that can carry out its own instructions. If certain conditions are met, payment is released automatically. There is no need for an accountant to verify every step, no bank manager to approve the transfer, and no solicitor to inspect each line of paperwork. A smart contract is simply software stored on a blockchain that executes agreed actions when the rules are satisfied. In the traditional workplace, a great deal of labor exists to create and maintain trust. Lawyers draft contracts. Banks move money. Administrators approve invoices. Payroll teams release salaries. Each layer adds time, cost, and human effort. Blockchain does not remove the need for work, but it automates many of these checks, allowing software to do in seconds what people once had to do manually. This is where the story becomes more interesting. Blockchain can create entirely new kinds of work without always creating standard jobs. Developers write smart contracts. Security experts audit code. Community members vote on changes. Designers create digital assets. Analysts study blockchain data. Yet many of these people are not employees in the traditional sense. They may be freelancers, contributors, or independent specialists working from anywhere in the world. Some blockchain organizations do not even use a conventional office structure. They are called DAOs, or Decentralized Autonomous Organizations. In a DAO, members vote on decisions, software enforces the rules, and payments can happen automatically. In theory, someone in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, or the United Kingdom can contribute to the same project without ever relocating. For South Asia, this brings both opportunity and pressure. Stay tuned in for more tech discussions in future. And please subscribe to our channel.